Welcome to my Strikingly website builder review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Strikingly is a user-friendly website builder that targets entrepreneurs, small businesses, and individuals who need to create a professional website quickly without a steep learning curve. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, Strikingly is ideal for beginners, allowing users to build a functional website in minutes. One of its standout features is the single-page website design, which is perfect for portfolio sites, event pages, and personal blogs. It offers a range of beautiful templates, all fully customizable to suit your brand's aesthetic. Strikingly also shines with its mobile-first approach. All templates are automatically optimized for mobile, ensuring your website looks great on any device, which is crucial in today's mobile-driven world. The builder includes tools for integrating social media, adding contact forms, setting up e-commerce functionality, and managing blog posts, all without needing to code. The free plan includes one website with basic features, while the premium plans unlock additional features like custom domains, more bandwidth, and enhanced analytics. When it comes to e-commerce, Strikingly allows users to sell products directly on their site. While it doesn't offer as many e-commerce features as more advanced platforms like Shopify, it's perfect for small-scale online stores or those just getting started. It supports both physical and digital products, making it a versatile option for various businesses. However, Strikingly is not without its weaknesses. While its simplicity is a strength for beginners, it can be limiting for users who want to build a more complex site. Advanced customization options are somewhat restricted, and the free plan includes limited features like a Strikingly branded domain. Additionally, SEO tools are basic compared to more robust platforms, which could affect visibility for users aiming for a more extensive online presence. In summary, Strikingly is a great website builder for individuals and small businesses that need a simple, professional online presence without a steep learning curve. While it may not be suitable for large-scale, feature-rich websites or businesses looking for advanced SEO and customization, it's a solid choice for those focused on ease of use, mobile optimization, and quick setup.